Today we have a lot of animal toys, some farm animals and some wild animals. The first point is a cow, a tiger. This is a tiger. The next point is alligator. This is alligator. The next animal is giraffe. This is giraffe. The next animal is a turtle. This is a turtle. A turtle. The next point is a horse. This is a horse. A horse. The next point is a camel.